Welcome to this video. We're going to be doing something different today. I'm going to tell you how I landed my first client and how you could do the same exact thing. So the way I started out is I was sending 50 to 100 messages a day to brands that I could work with on Instagram. And what you need to understand about 3D or any business model in general is it's all a numbers game. The more volume you send, the more likely you are to get a 3D client or a website design client or whatever the fuck you're going to be selling. And this is super important because most 3D artists send 10, 50, 100 messages on Instagram. They don't get a reply and they just give up. That's not how you're going to get a client. If you knew the amount of volume it was going to take to get your first client, you probably would have never started. And that's the thing, you need to be focusing more on the input rather than the output. Every single day, are you sending messages? Are you improving as a 3D artist? If you're not, then that's the problem. You shouldn't be focusing on, did I get my first client? Did I get my first client? Focus on actually doing the work, and then it's going to pay off. Okay, now let's talk about when you actually get a reply from a brand. Most brands are probably going to tell you, yeah, sure, we're interested. Tell me a bit more about what you do. The worst thing you could do from here is tell them, oh, I create 3D renders, I create animations. You start talking about your services, talk about your fucking great grandfather that died in World War II. No one gives a fuck, bro. No one cares about you. Something you need to understand about business and 3D in general is WIIFM. What's in it for me? What this means pretty much is when you're approaching a brand, when you're selling your services, you shouldn't be talking about yourself, you should be talking about them. Don't say how good your 3D renders are. Talk about how it could help them get more sales, how it could help build their brand. That's more important than talking about your services. Now, let me give you 2 openers you could use on DMs that have personally worked for me. So the initial outreach message that I send is, hey, I found your brand while searching for XYZ, which is the niche. And then I'll probably give them a compliment. And then here I'll do one of 2 things. I'll either play on a pain point, for example, they don't look as good as their competitors, or I'll play more on the outcome by talking about 3D renders and I specialize in XYZ and this will help you get XYZ results. So yes, I did say that I do 3D renders because of course you need to tell them what you do. But I also mentioned how this is beneficial for them, how it's going to help them get more sales, how it's going to help them build their brand. And the last thing is the call to action, which is the most important thing. It's what do you want them to do? Typically I have 2 call to actions. First one is, should I send over some examples of how this could look for your brand? So they could say yes, and then you can send some 3D examples. Or I'll tell them I have a few ideas in mind, I'd love to discuss them with you. These are the best 2 openers that I've tried and have worked in 3D. Now let's keep one outreach message and say that you offer them, show them examples of how this could look for their brands. What you're gonna do after that is gonna actually send them examples, tell them which one they like most. And then here you need to probe, you need to tell them or ask them, okay, well, what sort of issues are you facing at the moment with your branding or with your product visuals? They're going to give you a pain point. This is super important to know. You need to know what problem they're facing, because if they're not facing a problem, you don't have a solution. Once you know what their pain point is, then you can tell them, okay, what would be the biggest priority for you? Is it going to be like the speed of these renders or getting more sales or how you build your brand or XYZ? Once you figure the desire and figure the pain point, this is when you're going to go for the pitch. You never sell on DMs. You always sell on a call. I'll say something like, okay, well, based on everything you told me, I have a few ideas in mind that would be super beneficial for you. Would you be against if we had a quick 15-minute call so I can discuss it further? The reason you say, would you be against, is it's easier for them to say no than yes. And when they say no, then they're not against having a quick call. Then you just go for the sales call. Then you figure out what time zone they're in and then book a call with them. Now on the sales call, how do you actually close them? You don't hop on the sales call, tell them, yeah, so how have you been? Bro, get to the fucking point. You're talking to business owners. They don't have time. So again, what I do is I explain what this call is for. So happy you made it on this call. So the way this kind of works is we're going to go over XYZ and this. How does that sound? They're going to be like, great. And then you talk more about the services, the ideas you had in mind, how this is beneficial. You ask them questions, know more about their pain points, maybe what sort of budget they have in mind. And then you close them on a call. Always get the payment on the call. Never send the payment link after the call because they're most likely never going to buy from you. This is pretty much exactly what I did to land my first client, my second client, and my third client. Now, it's very important when you get the client, over-deliver. If you told them you're going to deliver the renders in 7 days, actually give it to them in 4 days. If you told them you're only going to give them 5 renders, give them 8 renders. They're gonna fucking love that. So now you know what to do. Here's how to apply it. Open Instagram, search up a few keywords like skincare, cosmetics, go through the brands, make sure it has less than 35,000 followers because you want to be talking to the owner, not fucking the social media manager. And you'd start by sending 10 messages every single day, then slowly increase it until 40, 50, however much Instagram allows you to send. Because I know how hard it is to actually start finding these brands, what sort of keywords to be searching, the exact DM structure, I've pretty much combined everything like the DM structures, the sales calls, what sort of scripts to be using, all in a blueprint, which you can get quite easily. So if you don't want to feel stuck and guarantee that you actually land your first client or even land other clients, check the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.